What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets with an update for you on our giveaway. So we're only a week in, but we already have to bring you an update to tell you what's going on. So first things first, thank you to everybody who's already grabbed a shirt and got automatically entered to win. We've already raised over $4,000 for St. Jude's Children's Hospital, so that's something super awesome to see. We're hoping we can probably do right around 20,000. So it's going to be a big goal for us. We can do it with your support. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, we are doing a giveaway, and the easiest way to get entered to win is to pick up this shirt. We got a whole bunch of America going on the front. So what can you win? ReadyLIFT suspension, XD wheels, Nitto Tires, and black label lighting. Custom Offsets obviously bringing all those guys together. We got a couple of the hot and new styles from XD behind us. One of the reasons why we went with XD here is they've got stuff for the show vehicles. They've got an awesome new like brushed titanium finish or brushed silver. They got a cool red milled finish. They've got some like simulated beadlock off-road type styles. They got the new bronze colors. They got concavity. They've got just about anything. So wheels, tires, suspension, lighting, the whole thing, plus labor. We're gonna get that hooked up with Offset's garage in the back here so they can install it all for you. We'll cover your hotel and get you a rental car as well. It's all covered. That's how you're gonna get your build. So come on out, grab the t-shirt that's gonna get you automatically entered to win, like I mentioned, at customoffsets.com/giveaway. This is a very limited production item. So once they're gone, they're gone. We ordered quite a few of them, but hopefully everybody can pick one up and get entered to win. Last chance is actually going to be in October. On October 9th at 11 a.m. contest closes. Then that night at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're going to announce the winner and hopefully give somebody a really big check for $20,000 for the St. Jude's Children's Hospital. If you guys have any questions, wow, talking too fast, getting all jumbled up, you can drop them below in the comments or just check out customoffsets.com/giveaway. Peace.